the university gave us the time to really explore a little bit more about the school. Again, we didn't grow up here. It wasn't a push. It was, we want you to build relationships, get to know the university, discover those areas of interest and passion. And when you're ready, then we'll talk. And the school gave us that window. And over time, that's when it became clear, what we wanted to do. And so just the fact that the school kind of allowed us to customize our giving in a way that connected with our heart meant everything. What we saw through Baylor was there was a lot of wonderful scholarships available for first-generation students, for students with different academic disciplines. It's a wonderful library of scholarships. And I think we just sort of felt like this is maybe another book on the shelf, for a subset of kids that have different types of headwinds at times. And so this was our opportunity maybe to leverage what has been a special part of our life and to make that available to another set of students here.
It's really rewarding to feel like you're doing something that is affecting kids today while you're also enjoying the experience that your own kids are having on campus. I feel like there's so much purpose around pouring into others that is part of the culture of Baylor that it's like it just inspires you to do the same.